Grafting in artificial vegetative reproduction in the field of asexual reproduction in biology. Biology. Topic: grafting. Grafting means uniting the cambium layers of two woody plants. Grafting means uniting the cambium layers of two woody plants. All right. Grafting means uniting the cambium layers of two woody plants. I'm going to explain it in details with the aid of diagram. Grafting means uniting the cambium layers of two woody plants. The lower stem is called stalk. Stalk. And the shoot here, from here upwards, is called scion. Scion. From here upwards is called scion. 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 Alright? Okay. For instance, this is a sweet orange. For instance, sweet orange. This is a sour orange, for instance. Okay. Now, this sweet orange cannot survive for a long period of time. For instance, this sour orange can survive for a long period of time. The life expectancy of this sour orange is high as compared to this sweet orange. That is to say, the sour orange has disease resistant root system. What are you going to do? There is need for you to go into grafting, into a method called grafting. Excuse me. Into a method called grafting. What is the next line of action? What is the next line of action? The next line of action is to cut this sweet orange. Cut it in a slant. In a slant. We make a slant cut or a V-shaped cut. But as you can see, this is a slant. I have made a slant cut. Cut it in a slant. Now, you cut it in a slanting form. This shoot, you are going to make use of this shoot, this scion. You are going to make use of this scion because it's a sweet orange. The problem with this sweet orange is that this sweet orange cannot survive for a long period of time because it cannot resist diseases. For that reason, there is need for you to go into grafting with this sour orange. Cut this sweet orange in a slant. Make a slant cut. A slant cut. Cut this sour orange also. Make a slant cut or a V-shaped cut, but I'm using a slant cut. Cut it in a slanting form. Cut it like this. Remove this shoot. This shoot is called rejected shoot. I'm going to remove this shoot. This shoot. I'm going to remove it and throw it away. Then I'm going to carry this shoot, the shoot of the sweet orange, and place it here. Now I'm going to remove this rejected shoot. Now, I have removed the rejected shoot. The shoot of sour orange has been removed. Now I'm going to bring the shoot of the sweet orange to this place. I'm going to attach it to the stalk of the sour orange. I'm going to attach the shoot of the sweet orange to the stalk of the sour orange. Okay, after the attachment, there is need for you to tie the two together. You are going to tie them together using the cord or grafting wax. Tie them together. The point of attachment here is called grafting union. Then you are going to tie them together. You are going to tie them together. Using the cord or rope. You are going to tie them together using the cord or rope. Take note. Before one could go into grafting, the two plants should be the plants that are closely related, or the two plants must be of the same species or closely related species, and at the same time of the same size and of the same age. This operation is carried out when the plants are up to 1 year or 2 years. 1 year or 2 years. Grafting, as I'm talking about. Before you could carry an operation like this, plants must have attained the age of 1 or 2 years or more. At the early stage of life, you can carry out this operation at the early stage of life, not when they have grown up. At the early stage of life. After the attachment of the scion, look at the scion. Scion. And the stalk. This scion is from the sweet orange. This scion you are seeing is from the sweet orange. The stalk you are seeing is the stalk of sour orange. Sour orange, the stalk of sour orange is going to take care of this scion from the sweet orange. The stalk of sour orange is going to sponsor the shoot of sweet orange. And the shoot of sweet orange will be here because they are being attached to each other. when the cambium layers, of the scion and the stalk are united, when the cambium layers of the scion and the stalk are united, are in intimate contact, the tissues will grow together. The xylems will grow together. The xylems of the scion and the xylems of the stalk will grow together. And new leaves will start coming out. When the operation is successful, you will start seeing new leaves coming out. Start seeing new leaves coming out. Start seeing new leaves coming out. You start seeing new leaves coming out. When the operation is successful, you start seeing new leaves coming out. New leaves will start coming out when the operation is successful. When the cambium layers of the scion and the stalk are in intimate contact, the tissues, the xylems, the tissues or the xylems will grow together. Keep on checking. After a while, you will be seeing leaves coming out. You'll be seeing leaves, new leaves coming out. When that is observed, it means the operation is successful. Take note of this. Before you could go into this operation, make sure the two plants are of the same species, or the two plants are closely related species, are of the same species or closely related species. The two plants must be of the same size and of the same age. Thank you so much.